back to another YouTube video, and today I'll be talking about like the definition of math concept and about math fact and how they're both different. So, a math concept is the why or big idea of math. Knowing a math concept means you know the workings behind the answer. You know why you got the answer. You got for the answer you got, and you don't have to memorize answers or formulas to figure them out, because you know why things work. You can figure out the answers and formulas yourself. You understand answers and formulas better, and you can tell when something isn't quite right. When you understand a math concept, you have essentially reached an upper part in math that allows you to think and process abstract. This takes us to the difference between a math concept and math fact. A math fact is something that needs to be memorized or written down. For example, the multiplication and addition tables are math facts because they tell you that 1 plus 1 equals 2 and 2 times 2 equals 4. There are no ifs, ands, or buts about them. About the equation. Knowing a math fact allows you to recall the information when you need it, like for a test. However, if you were given a problem that is similar but uses different numbers or arguments, then you wouldn't be able to do the problem because you only know the fact and not the concepts behind it. You need to know both fact and concept. You have to know both of them. You don't know how the problem works, so you can't solve it, because the facts don't include that specific problem. So, what's the difference between a math concept versus math fact? Let's kind of compare the few math concepts and math facts, okay? Counting, the math concept for counting tells you that you start at a number and it increasingly goes up. You can choose your increment to suit your needs. The math fact for counting gives you the number line of like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Like goes on and on, like infinity. Number 2, addition. The math concept of addition tells you to gather two quantities of numbers, or numbers together and get their total. The math fact is the additional table that tells you 1 plus 1 equals 2 and 1 plus 2 equals 3, etc. Multiplication. The math concept of multiplication tells you to get the total of a certain number or quantity that has been copied or cloned so many times. The math fact is the multiplication table. Now, division. The math concept tells you that to divide means to split fairly. The math fact is the division table or the reverse multiplication table. So basically the math concept is more general than the math fact. So, and also the concept allows you to solve so many more problems than just the math fact. One math fact lets you solve one concept type. So if you guys liked my video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you guys don't miss out on any of my videos. And comment what are some ways that you guys have been able to figure out problems with a concept, or like to get to the answer. And do comment what you guys liked about my video, and I'll talk with you later. Bye bye.